Welcome back to my channel. Have you also saved your system or mobile password and then forgotten it? Well, you're in the right place. Let me show you how to check, view, or edit your saved passwords on a mobile device. So without wasting any more time, let's switch over to the mobile screen. Welcome to my channel, Technichio. Now, I'll open the browser and try to access my router. As soon as I start typing the username, the saved passwords for this website will appear. However, I can't view or edit them directly from here. To do that, we need to go to the browser settings and select Google Password Manager. Alternatively, if you want to access it through settings, you'll need to navigate to Accounts, select the specific account you want to check, and then go to Password Manager. Here you'll find all your saved passwords. But as you can see, my router's password isn't listed here because this one is saved under IP 0.1, whereas the password we just used to log in is for IP 1.1. This happens because some passwords are saved only on the device and not in the account. To access them, we need to click on the account profile here, where we'll find the option Manage Passwords on this device. Once selected, all passwords stored locally on the mobile, but not synced to the account, will appear here. As you can see, my router's password is now visible. Just like on a computer, you can edit, view, or delete these passwords from this menu. If I want to move important passwords from my device storage to my account, I can select the Save Passwords in your account option. Then, I'll choose the passwords I want to transfer and save them. This will securely shift them from the device to my account for easy access across all synced devices. So this is how you can check and edit your saved passwords, whether they're stored on your computer or mobile device. I've explained both methods for your convenience. That's all for today. In the next video, I'll show you how to recover lost data using free software. So don't miss my next video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Technichio, and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss an update from our channel. Together, let's end tech tantrums. Thank you.